Okay, so guys, today I got my 9th Rubik's Cube. So my 9th Rubik's Cube is this Rubik's 3x3 keychain. So this might be my 4th 3x3. But why? Because you can see it looks like the same to this 3x3 or to this Rubik's block. But guys, this is a keychain Rubik's Cube, so you can, oops, okay, and then you can put this, on your shirt. And then now I put this on my shirt. Ugh. Oh! You can't do that. You need to how can I take this out? Oh, so annoying. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh my god, my shirt. You are never gonna put this keychain on my shirt ever again. And guys, would you ever keep this keychain Rubik's Cube in your room? Just let me know in the comments. And guys, I will see you next week. So thanks for watching. Bye.